Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Urban Specialist. So I'm underneath a Grand Design Reflection of 2025, and it just came in for the grade 8 bolts upgrade on the TCS suspension. So as you can see, we replaced all the bolts with grade 8. We marked them all. They have us take a slew of pictures, right? So we take pictures of all the bolts that have been replaced on the shocks to show that they've been completed in this video as well. They have us take like the side pictures of each side. They have us take pictures of the bolts that we've replaced. You know, they have to take us pictures of the bolts that we're going to install. They have us take pictures of the blue Loctite that's on the bolts and whatnot. And then we go back and they're torqued between the torque specs say torque between 20 to 30 foot-pounds. Basically, this is a particular unit that we had a defective shock on it. And we had the manufacturer was actually here visiting at the time, and so we were able to show them this back shock back here that looks cleaner and newer than those. It had snapped off. We went to do an auto level situation because the auto level was having issues, and it had a bad casting up inside internally in the shock, and it literally broke apart and bent it over like an L. So everybody freaked out, thought, oh no, do we have a whole new issue of stuff going to happen with these? But it was just a defect. So they came out, sent out an engineer. He came out, he retorqued and checked every single bolt. He was underneath this coach for at least a couple hours. He remarked everything. He checked the torque of everything. He checked all the welds. He checked everything on here, and basically gave it the kiss of approval. He even took up some of the other shocks just to check them and whatnot, and did a bunch of measurements. So we appreciate from Lippert for doing that, and Grand Design as well, because they were the ones that got involved and said, hey, let's get a guy out here and let's see what's going on. But anyways, stay tuned for more.